Welcome to the video, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I hope everyone is well. So a short update from me regarding the exciting new launch of the Elite Academy 3.0. So I can finally reveal that it is going to be live on my website for all of my members to access on the 20th of January. So just 6 days away. I want to talk to you a little bit about what the new Elite Academy 3.0 includes. What changes have been made and how are they relevant to you as an existing member or potentially as someone new. So firstly, Amazon FBA, the dynamics of Amazon FBA, it's very fast paced. Things change on a monthly basis and you've got to constantly be on top of your game and keeping things as current and relevant as they possibly can be, because things that worked 6 months ago might not work now. So for the best part of last year, we've been working with students, doing a lot of research and beta testing to work out what works and what doesn't. How are the 10K Elite Club members, the 100K Elite Club members, and there's so many of them now, how are they implementing these strategies effectively? What's working and what's not? So we've been, and we have come to conclusions on many topics about exactly what works and what doesn't. Now, there's going to be some core changes to the program that you need to know about, which I'll talk about first. So two main massive core changes. The first is going to be looking at, and it's going to be named, the theme of the actual, of the content is going to be the Elite Product Research Pro. Now, product research, as you will all know, is time consuming, it's difficult to find the right product. And again, over the course of the last year, we've been able to work out some new strategies and techniques that work, basically, and they work extremely effectively. Now, although we were seeing awesome results in 2020 from students, you've got to constantly strive for more, and we need to get better. And that's why we've been doing all this work to bring the course up to a point where it's the best in the UK, and I can say that without a shadow of a doubt. So, Elite Product Research Pro is launching. It's going to be strategies for 2021, effective strategies that you can implement yourself that are going to be broken down in a way that's easy to understand, because although we've got beginner, intermediate and advanced product research, some parts are harder than others. We want it to be simple to follow, as digestible as it can be for students, to be able to understand what they're looking for, where to look, and exactly how to implement these strategies to find products quickly. So tons of work has gone into that. I'm so excited to launch it to you all on the 20th of January. Literally, I cannot wait to launch it. So that's one key core element and one of the most important parts of your FBA journey. If you ask the vast majority of people who've launched a successful product, we've interviewed tons of people on my YouTube channel who've done that, launched successful products, they'll all tell you that product research is key. It's the foundations of everything. So one huge core element. The second is the Elites Ppc Pro. So what we've done is we understand that PPC isn't easy, right? It isn't easy. Pay-per-click advertising has complex elements to it. There's no two ways around that. And again, a lot of new functionality has been released from Amazon with regard to how they allow you to use PPC and just new PPC methods from them. But also, we have understood, again, how we've been able to keep our ACOS or ACOS down for students under the 20% mark. From these new tools that have been released from Amazon and the new strategies that students have been implementing, how have we been able to use those to achieve such a low ACOS? Now, it's going to be split into a beginner's, intermediate and advanced sections, so you can work through it at your own pace, but these strategies are going to be effective for 2021. Now, you've also got my mentorship, obviously, so I'm there if you find anything difficult If you've got any queries regarding strategy, if you need to ask me any questions, I'm there all the time. So 2 massive core elements. Now there's going to be other elements that are changed, but there's also going to be a complete overhaul. So the whole course is new. There might be 1 or 2 videos that are exactly the same as they were a year ago as they are now, because everything is the same as it was a year ago as it is now, but 95% of the content is brand new for 2021, and I just can't wait to launch it to you guys. So it's an exciting time. I look forward to all my new students having a look at it and checking it out, and obviously welcoming any new students to the program. At the moment, I mentioned to you guys in my previous video, there's an early bird price of $445, right? £445. It's almost the cheapest my program and mentorship has ever been. Now, there's 6 days left at that price before the price changes to, and I've been trying to work out, based on all of the work over the last year that's gone into this new launch, the content, my unlimited mentorship on an annual basis, and the new launch price is going to be $795 as a one-off cost, which is unbelievable value. If you divide that up, and I'm not going to do that in my head on the spot, but I have done it previously, and if you divide that up and you think about the fact that you've got unlimited access to a program, to a mentorship program, to a course that you can access 24/7, you can revisit, you've got all future content and updates for free moving into 2021, 22, for the 4.0 version, for the 5.0 version in 2023, it's all included. But as well as that, you have my one-to-one consultancy from Monday to Friday, 52 weeks a year, for an unlimited amount of time. It's infinite, right? That consultancy, if you divide that, if you utilize that every day for 3 or 4 years, it works out extremely cheaply for you if you looked at it on a monthly or a weekly basis. A cup of coffee a week or a phone contract a month, which is just unbelievable. Cheaper than that, actually. The value is insane. And I wanted to offer it to you guys. I know there's these stupid programs out there that are 3, 4, 5,000 where you go to London, you have a 1-day, 2-day course, get given a PDF, and off you go, you're on your own. I remember considering one of those, and to think what I brought to the community at the moment with everything that's included. It's just super. I'm super proud of you guys and chuffed with myself for getting it all for you for 2021. So exciting. I look forward to welcoming you and seeing you on the inside. It's going to be a huge year. Amazon is exploding at the moment, especially with surges of people online. Prime members are increasing. Private label revenue is going up. It's going to be a big year. I'll see you there.